Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm coming from Stonewater in Cape Coral, giving you an update on this beautiful community. I'm gonna start here. Over here, that's the motorhome. I'm gonna put a link on the video below so you can see this home. It's the Del Rey floor plan. Okay. Now let's drive around and see this beautiful new community, how it's coming out. For all you previous viewers that have kept up with my videos, you'll be surprised on how many homes have been built and been completed. This is a very nice community. A lot of people tend to like it a lot. It's northwest part of Cape Coral. And you have a great selection of different types of homes. You got 2 stories, 1 stories, and different sizes, different floor plans. So if you're interested in moving to Cape Coral and you like the community lifestyle, this will be a good one for you. This is right now, I think it's one of the only ones that has been built right now in Cape Coral. So, it's good that you get to, you got other communities, but they're not building anymore. They're already full. They already got filled up. So this is one of the communities available now that you can still select your lot and build your home. As you can see, look, all the construction going on here. I like that. It's 2 stories. Very nice. As soon as I completed some of these 2 stories, I'm going to see if I could get into them so I could show you, because I haven't shown you this 2-story models. This floor plans. I haven't shown them to you. The thing is, it's very hard to get them more than completed because they actually clean them like 2 weeks, 1 week before they move in. So it's just a hit and miss every time I come. But I really would like to show you the layouts. So if you're interested in seeing more of this homes here and the layout, and I do these videos almost every 2 or 3 months to keep everybody updated of what's going on. So feel free to hit the subscribe button. Okay, now I'm going to go over to the other area that they're starting to build up now. Also, if you're new to the videos, most of these homes here, they all have canals behind them. Canals, I'm sorry. It's already in the morning. They got lakes behind them, so check out the lake size. Okay, and then over here you can see have lakes. So a lot of them have very nice views of the lake. You can see they still got a lot of land available to build more, but it's getting kind of built up. You see a lot of homes are being built. They still got to go all the way around the lake, so they still got a lot of homes to build. If you have any questions about Cape Coral, Southwest Florida, feel free to contact us. You can call us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate here in Cape Coral, Southwest Florida for over 20 years, and we can help you out. Check out my other videos also. See if you like anything there. Right now that the year just started, I'm going to be placing a lot of videos during the week, so feel free to hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be trying to put as many videos as I can all through winter and spring. So if you're planning to move here, this could be a good channel for you to watch. Today's a really nice day. Temperature's 80 degrees. For you people up north, let me tell you again, right now it's 80 degrees. We're actually receiving a cold front probably this afternoon, and tomorrow we might get the low 50s in the morning and back to the 70s in the afternoon. That's what a typical cold front is here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral. Even though we had a really cold winter, we had a really cold Christmas. That was really cold. We had a week, actually 3 or 4 days in a row with temperatures above 40. So that was pretty cold. Then after that, you know, it went back to the 50s, 60s, and I mean, since the year started, we'll be in the 80s. So I love this weather. But we really had a cold Christmas. Were you guys up north? I know you guys had it worse, so. And just trying to brag. Okay, I'm gonna go around the other side. So you see, if you know, these are all homes. A lot of these homes are also spec homes. So there's some homes already being built. So so you don't have to wait too much for them. So if you're interested, you're coming down this spring, winter, spring, feel free to contact us, okay? I'm gonna put in the link below also with all the homes that are actually available for sale in here. So if you go on that link below, you just click on it and it'll take you to this page. And here in this page, it shows you everything that's available. So you get the idea of the prices. If you're new to my channel, I just want to let you know that I don't try to put too many prices on my videos because these videos, they tend to last a long time, people watching them, and I don't want to mislead them on the prices. So at the same time, when the prices were going up, I didn't do it, and I'm not planning to do it now that the prices are moderately going down a little bit. Okay, so just want to let you guys know that most of the videos when I'm doing this, when I'm doing homes, whatever, you can go to the description below, and there you'll be able to see what's available, and if it's just a listing or it's just just a listing for resale or just a spec home, I will try to put the link below so you could go and look at the price. And those prices are always live prices, okay? Those prices are always kept alive because they come from the MLS. So unless the house closes and then it shows that the listing's not there, or it says that the house is closed. So make sure that when you see it says active. Well, I'm coming out here already, Stonewater. So I'm gonna go drive a little bit around so you can see all the growth that's going on here. And I'm heading to another area that I wanted to show you before it gets kind of more cloudy and the rain starts here, the front finally gets here. So let me drive you around a little bit and I'll sign off. As you can see over here, you got new construction everywhere. This is outside the community now. Okay. You got different styles of home being built now. A lot of these are coming out now. People are kind of like them, those with the flat roofs. And so, what I'm saying is that people are saying that the construction, that the market is, there's a lot of people moving to Florida, and they're actually expecting a lot of it before 2030. So, and we don't have enough homes. So that's why the construction continues here. I mean, we have gotten hit by the hurricane. We got hit by higher interest rates, and the prices has corrected itself. You know, from last year it had dropped a little bit, but as long as we still have people coming and buying and building, we're still going to have a nice inventory. So, because that was one of the issues we had in 2020 and 2021, and part of 2020, that we didn't have that much inventory. So people were coming here and they just had to buy whatever they got there. But right now, due to all this little slowdowns that we got, our inventory went up a little, and now we got a lot to. If you come now, you could have a lot to choose from. You know, you got a lot of resales and a lot of new construction, spec homes that are already built that you can actually buy them and move in a week. So the market is changing, but it's over here in Southwest, Florida and Cape Coral, it's still going. Right now we have a couple of clients of ours that bought lots, and now they're going to look for the new homes. So we're taking them out to check out builders. So that's basically, what we tend to do. This year I'm going to try to see if I could get you more new construction, so you guys can get to see what's available while they're building here. So stay tuned. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to head to the other place because you can see it started getting cloudy. So I'm going to stop here and go to that other area that I wanted to show you guys. It's Jacaranda neighborhood. I had a lot of you guys asking me that you wanted me to do a drive-by Jacaranda. They want to see how it is, and they want to see the homes, what they look like. Actually, right now there's 8 homes available in that neighborhood, and they run from 419,000 to over $1 million. So I'm heading now towards that area there. Okay, so see you on the next video.